Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the garbage trucks in Jamaica. Now, the government announced some time ago that they were buying 100 new garbage trucks. And this is for the entire island. 50 arrived last year and the additional 50 are going to arrive this year. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update on the 50 to arrive this year. Now, the ones that came in last year have been deployed and they've really made a difference in the collection of garbage. So these additional 50 should definitely put the NSWMA over the top, and they should be good to go after these arrive. The government will be purchasing another 50 compactor trucks in the 2024-25 fiscal year to improve garbage collection island-wide. A sum of $916 million has been budgeted for the acquisition, which represents the second consignment of units for the National Solid Waste Management Authority to bolster the operations of the entity. An additional batch of 50 new trucks were already handed over to the authority. Details of the undertaking are outlined in the 2024-25 Estimates of Expenditure tabled in the House of Representatives by Minister of Finance and Public Service, Dr. the Honorable Nigel Clark. The government of Jamaica is funding the acquisition of 100 compactor trucks to increase the NSWMA's fleet to an acceptable level. The authority, which is an agency under the Ministry of Local Government and Community Development, provides solid waste management services across the island in order to safeguard public health while helping to create an environment that is healthy and aesthetically pleasing for residents and visitors to enjoy. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. Now I think this is great. The government is bringing in fire trucks, they're bringing in ambulances, they're bringing in police cars, they're bringing in garbage trucks. This is definitely a step in the right direction. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have you noticed an increase or have you noticed better service from the NSWMA since those 50 trucks came in last year? Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. We are actually on Mandela Highway. The video started at the new section of the highway closer to the Spanish Town Road and Washington Boulevard entrance, and we're now driving towards Central Village on Mandela Highway. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Enjoy the rest of the video. Have a good day.